Tex-145-E, sulfate content of materials using a colorimeter. Weigh 3 individual soil test samples to 20 plus or minus 0.1 grams each. Place each sample into 3 individual bottles from section 2.3 and label them appropriately. Samples may be weighed by placing material directly into a tared bottle. Ensure all lab equipment used to prepare and test samples is clean and free of residue before use. Add 400 milliliters of distilled or deionized water into each bottle from section 4.7 to produce a dilution ratio of 1 to 20 of soil to water. Cover the bottles. Vigorously shake each bottle by hand for approximately 1 minute. Allow the bottles to stand for a minimum of 12 hours at room temperature. Vigorously shake each bottle by hand for approximately 1 minute. Prepare a beaker with a minimum volume of 500 milliliters to capture the filtrate from each bottle. Cover the beaker with a non-absorbent, thin film wrap such as parafilm from section 2.26 to ensure the filtrate is not contaminated during the filtering and does not lose moisture. Label the beaker appropriately. Push a funnel approximately an inch through the wrap into the beaker. Use a support stand to secure the funnel in place. Place 1 filter paper along the inside of the funnel. Pour the soil and water solution from the bottle into the funnel. Allow the solution to filter and drain into the beaker. When the funnel does not hold all the solution in one pour, wait until the pour completely filters through the funnel and pour more solution into it. Multiple pours are needed at this point. Prepare a beaker and funnel for each bottle and filter the solution from each bottle by repeating sections 5.25 through 5.2.8.1. Remove each beaker from the support stand and remove the wrap. Turn on the colorimeter and press the mode key until SUL method is displayed. When the mode display options or operation of the colorimeter is different, follow the manufacturer's recommendations for sulfate testing. Use a clean, uncontaminated pipette and carefully take out 10 milliliters of filter and place it into a 10 milliliter graduated cylinder. Transfer the filtrate into a sample vial from section 2.24 and cap it. Wipe the sides of the vial clean using a lint-free wipe to remove fingerprints or any other residue. Place the clean vial into the colorimeter sample chamber and align the marking on the vial with the marking on the colorimeter. Press the key labeled 0. The method symbol flashes for approximately 3 seconds and confirms 0 calibration. Remove the vial from the sample chamber and remove the cap. Use tweezers to add 1 tablet of barium chloride into the vial. Immediately crush the tablet by tamping with a plastic rod until it is completely dissolved and dispersed throughout the vial. Cap the vial. Wear latex gloves when handling the tablet. The tablet is toxic and avoid any contact with skin, eye, or ingestion. Wipe the sides of the vial clean and immediately place it into the chamber and align the markings. Press the key labeled test. The method symbol flashes for approximately 3 seconds and the test result will appear in the display. Take a minimum of 3 readings per vial and record the results. When an error message, divide error, is displayed, the sulfate content is greater than the maximum measuring range of the colorimeter. The filtrate needs to be diluted. Proceed to section 5.4.12. When an error message minus error is displayed, the sulfate content is very low and below the minimum measuring range of the colorimeter. Report the sulfate concentration as less than 100 parts per million. Prepare a new vial with filtrate from section 5.2 and dilute it with water to a ratio of 1 to 40, according to Table 1. A higher dilution ratio may be prepared instead of 1 to 40. Return to section 5.4.3 and repeat testing. Repeat dilution and testing until an absolute number is obtained. Report the average sulfate content to the nearest whole number.